1.4 absolute value. I can find absolute value.
Are you guys capable of finding absolute value now?
Yes.
Riley, well read. Thank you, young lady. Absolute value is always,
Positive.
and absolute value would be the distance a number is from 0 on a number line. So if I have a number line, and this is 0, and then the number is -3, what's the absolute value?
3.
If the number is 3, what's the absolute value?
3.
3, good. We talked about opposites and additive inverses are the same thing, right?
Yes.
So what is the additive inverse of -4?
4.
What is the additive inverse of 4?
4.
What is the additive inverse of 4?
4.
It's the opposite, right? So the additive inverse of 4 is -4. The additive inverse of -4 is 4. Okay, we got that? You guys know the symbol for absolute value would be 2 vertical parallel lines. And then inside of an absolute value symbol is the number we're calculating. So what is the absolute value of 2?
2.
Okay, do we ever, when we answer them, use the absolute value markers? No. Once you solve for absolute value, you are done with the markers. I want to point out that you can actually find the absolute value for variables. Right?
Yes.
You guys did that? If you have an equation, you actually do the equation first. What is 6 minus 4?
2.
So did we solve for absolute value or did we solve for 6 minus 4?
6 minus 4.
So we have the answer 2 and we still have to solve for the absolute value, which is going to be then 2, right? Letter G, we did another one. Letter H got tricky. This is where we talked about order of operations, right?
Yes.
And so what we did is we have absolute value, we have absolute value. There's 2 of them. We treat absolute value like what?
Parentheses.
I need everybody.
Parentheses.
Okay, it's parentheses. And so inside the first set of parentheses, we did 11 minus 3 and we got,
8.
do we still keep absolute value?
Yes.
Do we rewrite the rest of the problem?
Yes.
Now we still have something to calculate here and something to calculate here. Which one should we do first? The absolute value of 8. Okay, which is what? 8. Don't forget to drop down your negative and then rewrite everything that's left. Yes, no? And then so on and so forth for the rest of the problem. And then the last one we did is the inequality here. I think Manuel did this one for us. He solved the equation. -6 minus 5 is -11 because he used a number line, right? We still needed to solve for the absolute value of -11, which Manuel said was 11. And is 11 bigger than or smaller than 10?
Bigger.
My big thing is absolute value is just like what?
Parentheses.
What?
Parentheses.